Is the baby here yet?
Nope.
Nope.
Get doggy.
Is there a baby here yet?
Nope.
Nope.
This.
Is there a baby here yet? Where should we look? Is there a baby there yet?
It's okay. He just wants his passy, just like you.
Is there a baby here yet?
Yeah. Charlie has his own passy.
Yuck.
It fell out.
Yuck.